Ever wondered how to make a tasty chicken curry at home? Well, believe it or not, it's possible to recreate that restaurant magic right in your own kitchen. You don't need a culinary degree or exotic ingredients. All it takes is a love for food and a little bit of patience. The key to a tantalizing homemade curry lies in the blend of spices and the slow cooking process. So, are you ready to embark on this flavorful journey? Stay tuned to discover an easy step-by-step recipe to make a mouth-watering chicken curry at home. First things first, gather your ingredients. This delectable chicken curry calls for a mix of spices that will tantalize your taste buds. We'll need cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala, all ground. The heat will be provided by red chili powder and fresh green chilies. For the base, we'll need onions, garlic, and ginger, finely chopped. And of course, we can't forget about the star of our dish, the chicken. Opt for bone-in pieces, as they add depth to the curry. The importance of using fresh and quality ingredients cannot be overstated. They are the backbone of a flavorful dish. Fresh spices in particular play a crucial role. They bring a vibrancy and depth that's hard to replicate with older, stale spices. When it comes to the chicken, choose a high-quality, free-range bird if possible. The difference in taste is phenomenal. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we can move on to the next step. Time to turn up the heat and start cooking. Our first step is to marinate the chicken. We'll immerse our chicken pieces in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, and a blend of aromatic spices. Make sure every piece is well coated, then set it aside to let the flavors meld together. Next, we're going to build a foundation of flavors by sautéing onions and garlic. Heat a generous amount of oil in a pan, then add finely chopped onions. As they turn a beautiful golden brown, add minced garlic and continue sautéing until the aroma fills your kitchen. Now it's time for the spices. We'll sprinkle in our blend of ground spices, stirring continuously to ensure they don't burn. As the spices release their aroma, we'll introduce our marinated chicken to the pan. Sear each piece until it's nicely browned, locking in all those delicious flavors. With our chicken nicely browned, we are ready to move on to the final steps of our cooking process. Let's continue where we left off. Now that our chicken is beautifully browned, it's time to add the ripe tomatoes. Dice them up and stir them in, watching as they lend their vibrant color and sweet tanginess to our dish. Next up, we pour in the coconut milk, the secret ingredient that gives our curry its luxurious, creamy texture. Don't be shy, the more the merrier. Once everything is mixed well, it's time to let it simmer. Lower the heat, cover the pan, and let the magic happen. This is when the flavors truly meld together, creating a symphony for your taste buds. While our curry is simmering, let's not forget about the garnish. A sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro not only adds a pop of color, but also a subtle hint of freshness. And there you have it, a delicious homemade chicken curry that is sure to impress. Let's quickly recap the steps to create this tasty chicken curry. We started by gathering our ingredients before moving on to searing the chicken. After that, we prepared our curry base by sautéing onions, garlic, and spices. We then combined the chicken and the curry base, letting them simmer together to allow the flavors to meld. Remember, patience and precision are key in cooking. Now you are ready to serve up an impressive homemade chicken curry. Enjoy your meal.